Sorry for not making Billy and Catarina videos after a few months ago. And by the way, previously on Billy and Catarina episode 1. And previously on Billy and Catarina the movie in June 14, 2026. Lexus explain about MPAA ratings. This helps you decide which room to watch the movies or kids or teenagers or adults or not.
Rated G is for suitable for all ages and general audiences. Rated PG, with some scenes which may not be suitable for children.
Rated PG-13, but this program's carries strong caution. This song may have been inappropriate children under 13 years old.
Rated R, restricted. Songs are under 17 with courtesy accompanying me under parental or during guardian.
Rated NC-17. No one 17 and under the age.
Rated NR. This film is not yet rated.
Diferentes, divertidos, um morcego e uma traça são os melhores amigos, mas adoram a pirraça. Lili e Catarina, preparados pra missão. Lili e Catarina, guardiões em ação.
Stop right there, you are. Young people, you're Billy and Catarina.
Cut.
Wait, what's happening?
Oh, come on, I forgot about to say something. This is your 6th take.
Yeah, Billy and Catarina, the movie is coming in tomorrow.
Yeah, I would agree with TVO Kids Q.
Hey, Vulcan's Q, get out in the studio right now.
This is not fair. You are ruined my life.
Okay, let's do the 7th take.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, take 7, rolling, and action.
Season 1, Episode 2. Classic Caillou makes a nuclear biggest explosion and gets grounded. This video was inspired by Dawson 384. Enjoy.
Oh, what a nice day. Let's go to play Roblox.
I'm going to make a nuclear explosion. Now I'm going to make the nuke temperatures into 4,000 degrees.
I agree with Catarina. Let's play Roblox. Oh no, is that a nuclear? I'm going to see on my E-News this time.
News on Channel 1 News.
A 10-year-old boy started a nuke, and now we need everybody to take shelter.
The nuke will hit Pentagon City in 30 minutes.
So drive to the fallout shelter. Oh no, it looks like we need to take some shelter as well.
So this is Channel 1 News signing off.
Oh my god, let's go to the basement room, and also known as living room basement. Let's go now. Okay.
Oh no, Caillou, Rosie, get into the car. Dad, why we have to get inside the car? Because we need to drive to the fallout shelter from the nuke. Ernesto and Samantha get into the car. Okay. Bob the builder, get into the truck.
Let's go to computer end. Oh no, there's a nuke coming. I got to get inside my car.
Hi, Bob the builder. Hey, we just came to the fallout shelter to survive from the nuke. Oh yeah, that's good. The nuke destroyed Pentagon City. Welcome back to Channel 1 News.
Today a nuke destroyed Pentagon City.
So now everybody stay in the fallout shelter.
And now we need the results, Paul.
Thanks. Right now you are looking at all the damage from the nuke. 5 people have been injured. Now, please stay in the shelter, everyone. Okay, thanks. And the nuke has just happened from a 10-year-old boy named Classic Caillou.
He is wearing black pants, red shoes, and a gray shirt.
So he's supposed to pay $18 million for all the damage that he did. And if he doesn't pay $18 million, then he will be in jail for 5 years.
So this is Channel 1 News signing off.
I knew who just did it was Classic Caillou.
I'm going to go.
Classic Caillou, how dare you make a nuke explosion that said you are grounded for 6353538363267282527535353535353535353535353535353 years.
I cannot believe I just destroyed Plotagon City with a nuke. Subscribe for more videos.
Phew, I got Classic Caillou grounded for destroying Plotagon City. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye!